Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful sunrise. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. I added more to Bitcoin and Ethereum on the drop today. We had another drop, even though a lot of good news came out. The SEC canceled they said meme coins are not securities, so they are tradable legally, like playing cards. They canceled the Coinbase lawsuit. They canceled the MetaMask lawsuit. They canceled the Gemini lawsuit. So America has fully opened up to crypto, and they're stopping the attacks on the crypto companies. A lot of good news came out, but Bitcoin is still quite hit hard because of the Trump tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico. He increased the tariffs to 25%, and that's what dropped Bitcoin and the markets heavily, especially Tesla, because it's a car company operating in China, etc. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I bought more Bitcoin, I bought more Ethereum, and I bought more Tesla on this pullback. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Now, we're going into technicals. You can see here where I've added into Bitcoin. These are my buys on Bitcoin. Here I bought one full Bitcoin and I sold half of it because I just caught that little bounce and I bought too much. I wanted to DC it down. That was smart. But you can see I've built up quite a big position. It's still huge, quite in the negative, $74,000 in the negative. It's an $880,000 trade. It's $74,000 in the negative at the moment. Funding fee has gone positive. It's a 9.5 Bitcoin trade, and I just added half a Bitcoin. You can see a few minutes ago. I missed the 82K bottom. I got it at 84K. I added more to that trade. Same with Ethereum, 65 Ethereum now. Ethereum trade is $168,000. I've only paid $124 in fees, even though I've had this trade open a few weeks. Because the funding fee was negative. You can see where I've added into Ethereum. This is where I sold Ethereum. I sold at 2,700, and then I started buying as we've come down. My average price now on Ethereum is 2,593, so still in the negative. But I have been building these positions. I will keep building them. I've made my liquidation below 79K, below 1,900. I will add more to the trade if we pull back more. I also bought altcoins, MCRT up 2.3%, which is beautiful. There's an airdrop right now of the Vega NFT that will gate lock the character. So make sure you get it. You need to hold 1 million MCRT to get that Vega. World up 3%. I also bought World on the drop. You can see here exactly where I added to World at $1, which is beautiful. And World was showing strength while others were pulling back. Uniswap, quite even where I've been buying it. Didn't get much of a bounce. The low was at $7.40. Now we're at $7.60. I've got $26,000 of Uni. I want to add more at $7.60. I've got more to buy. And Doge 21K up 2%. The low on Doge was 19 cents. I've only got 21K, so I'm going to buy more Doge on a pullback. Let's set more of a buy for Doge. Wow, this is the low of Doge. We came down here to 20 cents where I bought a lot and then we got the bounce. 19 cents was the low. So I'll do technicals for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge, and then I'll set a Doge order. Trump was winning again, leading the markets. Trump always winning at minus 5%. He won, but out of everyone. Tesla was down 3% on this tariff war news. I added more into Tesla at 280. So I bought more of Tesla, or 283 or something like this. Google was down 2%. Google getting hammered hard. Nasdaq down 2.7%. So wiping out another 1,500 points off the Nasdaq in the last week. 500 points today. TON down 2%. Bitcoin was up. A few were up. The rest were quite down. Let's go into Bitcoin, 84,700. Bitcoin is opening on the weekly. On the weekly, we've got massive drop this week. Look at this drop. Had a clear M pattern, double top. It was a bit clear double top there, and then just dropped massively. On the stochastic, we quite oversold. Still couldn't come down more. Volume dropping off, and we just free fell. We're down now. Bitcoin is down 22% 22% off the high. Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy. It fired a buy back in February 2022 at 20k. Still a blue buy now. It hasn't fired a sell even with this drop. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell exactly on the top, the first top. It fired a sell at 109,000. The Bitcoin Indicator Bot was perfectly on point. And since then, we've just dropped massively. You get it in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. On the daily, volume a little bit picking up the last few days. Stochastic oversold turning up. We're still in this, we're in ABC correction. We don't know how far it goes. Very high chance that we go to 80k. The big support is at 72k and 80k. If you haven't entered a trade, I would try to get it off 80k and 72k. I would DCA down onto these supports. I wouldn't just go all in now. I would DCA down. These are the places that you can try to pick it up. 80k, 72k, 62k. These are places to buy Bitcoin. In my opinion, as we pull back, your liquidation has to be below 62. It can get really bad if this trade war keeps going. Big support is at 72k. Let's go on to the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, got a bit of a bounce off 82k, looking like a little bit of a double bottom there. We're getting a bounce off 82k. That's good to see. So 82,000 getting a bit of support and volume starting to spike. But again, 80k and 82, 80k and 72k are the real supports. On the hourly, we're just free falling, descending, broadening wedge though. And the crypto policies that came out were very bullish. A lot of bullish news for crypto, but it didn't affect the price. We're just free falling on this trade war. But you can see here we're starting to make a broadening, descending wedge. Oh, it's just a downward channel right now. Actually, it's not even broadening, just downward channel. We're getting a little bit of support, but 80k is the next one down. If you haven't opened a trade, I would try to catch it from 80k would be the safer point with a tight stop loss and take profit. I would run it back all the way back to all-time highs. If it pushes back up again, that would be the target, to run it back to all-time highs. So opening at 80k, taking it back to all-time high, which was 110. The all-time high on Bitcoin was 109, just the day of the Trump inauguration. So since Trump got in office on January 20th, we are down 25% since the day, January 20th, that Trump got in office. 25% drop. Yeah, that's the trade I'll take. 80,000, taking it back to 109. Risking 1,300 to make 29,800. 10x leverage would be 290,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. I would wait, because what happens when China retaliates with tariffs, or Canada retaliates with tariffs, Mexico, etc. So there is a chance we pull back all the way down to 80k. So just be cautious of that. Let's go into Ethereum. Actually, I'll do Ethereum in the next video. Today I'll do Doge. Doge descending triangle. It's trying to hold on to support, but it doesn't look like it's going to hold. If it breaks this support, next one down 17 cents. Very easy, it comes down to 17 cents. Doge is down 54% since Trump got elected. 54% is crazy drop since Trump got elected. The high of Doge was 48 cents. We didn't come close to 70 cents, etc. 54% since the day Trump got elected. Big support is at, we've got a big support. I would say, actually, no, big support is here. 15.8 cents. So if you want a long Doge, that would probably be the best point. 15 points, that would be the safest point. I would take a long from 15.8. That would be brutal for the markets if it goes that low. Taking it back to 48, but then it's a long-term trade. Risk reward 8.7 times. So 15.8 is where I'm going to set the Doge order. Let's say 16. I'll add $5,000 of Doge and then see how we go from there. 16 cents, I'm going to add $5,000 worth of Doge. And this is my Bitcoin trade and my Ethereum trades. Join us in the Telegram. There's 275 of you online. I'm all in on Sol, 109. I'm all in and Sol. Will it go up from here? Wick down to 109. I think can wick down if there's some more bad tariff news. 57%. Join them in the conversation. 275 of you online. You can join them in the chat. All the links are down below under the video. Bybit gives you a 60k bonus in the description of the video. Weex gives you a $200 bonus. Bitunix gives you $8,000 bonus. Weex, $200 just for signing up. Weex and Bitunix are KYC free worldwide exchange, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram, which are free. The Telegram is free. Also follow me on X, 102,600 followers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla buyers activating. Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this is like Atlas holding it up. You can see my buys on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've been actually buying. 10 hours left until the snapshot. Vega NFT airdrop snapshot will be done in 24 hours with MCRT. Make sure you hold 1 million MCRT in your wallet to receive a Vega NFT drop. Soon all players will require this NFT to play Vega, which is one of the most used characters in the game. And 52% off the highs. Melina Coin 94%, Fart Coin 89%, Trump Coin 83%, Trump Media 70%, Dogecoin 59%, MicroStrategy 56% drop, Tesla 43%. The market just getting destroyed since Trump took office. There's some news about people can't block free speech even internationally. The SEC division corporate finance has put out guidance on meme coins saying they are not securities and akin to collectibles. Good news for crypto. Ethereum currently down 22% since Eric Trump told everyone to buy Ethereum and thank him later. Nasdaq down 2.2%, 424 points today. It's 6.7% in the last 5 days, 1,355%. Trump winning. Very brutal day in the markets again. Tesla stock down 36% since January 20th. Lucky we sold at 430. No, that's since I sold. Yeah, January 20th. 430, and now we're down 36%. I've started to buy a Tesla down here. It's activating my buyers. Remember, I told you I had buyers at 300, 282, 261. I will be adding as we come down. Bitcoin down 24% since January 20th. And that's my updates in the market. Everyone, join us in the Telegram. All the links are down below. Smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Thank you for watching. Let me know any comments or tickers you'd like me to analyze. Let's see how we do. I'm going to keep DCAing down, but make sure you don't know how low it can get. Even though we've started DCAing recently, except Bitcoin trade was quite negative, you don't really know how far this can drop and how bad the bear market can get. So be very defensive, DCA down. Don't go all in here. 10% into Tesla at each major support is my strategy going back into the Tesla position. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. These are my trades. I'm seed invested in a lot of these companies. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Wish you the best. Only think what you want to have happen, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.